Last class we see about the Python programming. So introduction. Now you are going to see about script mode. Last class see about the two types of mode. One is interactive mode. Other one is script mode. Now we are going to see about the script mode. Script mode means nothing but the script language. It's a script language. So in Python is a major divisions of it based on the script language. So what is the script language? Script language is basically a text file containing the Python statement. Python scripts are a reusable code. The script language is created by the reusable code again and again. Same program, same coding, same structure should be created by the separate programming language. It is called as a reusable code. Once scripts can be created, it can be executed again and again without replaying the script and editing. Without replaying the script, suppose you have to create the coding for hospital management or in hotel management system. It is called as a HMST, hotel management system. You have to create it for a hotel management system for one Python programming software means it should be created by coding or in a script mode, not in a interactive mode. This coding should be created or this source code will be created by the script mode. It is called as a script language. So Python programming is basically called as a script language. So the basically script language is created by Python programming and Python codings. It is the basically script for text using the containing the Python should be in statement. Python script in a replaceable codings and created by again and again. Same coding should be used for again and again for a different purpose. Just simply you have to editing the major categories. Simply editing by the minor categories or major categories, whatever it may be. So the script should be edited. The script should be editable, whatever it may be. So the script language will be created by the Python coding. Okay. So how should be created by the script in Python? In a script in Python should be created by creating a new files or created by the control plus n, created by the new file, or open the notepad, new file, and go for file, created by new. Okay, new file in notepad. The file should be saved as a .py. There is a two major categories. One is main component and other one is a extension component. The file should be saved .py. It is a main component and this one is a extension component, exe file, and this is a main component, main. This separated by a comma, dot operators. These two categories divided by dot operators. This dot operator will be separated by this main component and extension component. So it is called as a newly created file in a notepad. Okay, just simply created in a notepad some this is a major screen. So here is the file, edit, view option. Here is a maximize, minimize and restore option. Go for file, new, or press Ctrl plus N. open a file. Okay, so creating a script file in Python. So you should be creating a script file in Python created by the using notepad operations. In notepad you should be creating some open source file typed by here. Whatever the text should be created. So now you have to type as a simple coding, simple calculation, simple arithmetical calculation. So simple arithmetical calculation means the variable a comma b comma c, the value should be 5 comma 6 or 4 comma 4. So whatever it may be. Okay, simple calculation, those value should be a equal to 5, b equal to 6. Okay, it can be done in script language. So basically it can be done in a script language. How should be the program will be typed? Print value should be in the Python. So whatever value should be given, whatever any values, not only as a 5 comma 6 or 6 comma 5 or any value should be written in arithmetical operation or logical operation or relational operation. So in Python there will be a 3 major operations should be used. One is arithmetic operation, and 2 is relational operation, 3 is a logical operation. First we have to apply as a arithmetical operation. Arithmetical operation: addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. So now we are going to see about the only addition operation. Print the sum. Sum means we have to add the 2 elements. So whatever it may be. So add 2 elements means a plus b equal to c. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So it is a value should be given. So whatever it may be, any values should be written in a simple typed in a notepad. Okay, in notepad you have to type any script language. It is called as a script language. Print. The statement will be like this. So it should be typed as a these symbols or this symbol, or given by the arithmetical operation or relational operation or in a logical expression. Okay, so type any other, whatever it may be, any other languages, C or C++, the program should be typed as a in Python formatting. Now you are going to save the file. How to save the file? How to open the file? You have to see, press Ctrl N or go for file and new. Take a new file. Notepad will be open. In notepad you have to type some other arithmetical operation calculation, so it can be over. Now you are going to save a file. How to save a file? In file menu there will be, in file menu there will be one save option. Here will be the save menu. Go for save option. Okay, not go for save as option, not choosing the save option, not selecting the save option, save as. Only we have to select only for save option, SAVE. Save the file. Okay, the save the file, whatever it may be, the option will be here, and we have to save the file name in .py. Any name, any relative name for a programming, relative name for a script programming. So here whatever name should be dot, without giving any space, the file should be saved as a py, .py. The file should be domain name. It is called as a domain name. So domain name means for creating as a exe file. The file should be converted as a Python coding. The .cpp means the file should be saved as a C++. The file should be .c means the file should be saved as a C programming. After dot command, it is an executive file, exe file, extension file created by the computer, created by the computer programming, created by the computer operating system, denoted by the OS. It can be denoted by computer operating system or computer programming language or whatever it may be. It is depending upon the system file. It is a main component created by programmer who can use the computer user can create the name, whatever it may be. Relative programming, it is addition of two number means add a two number dot py. The file should be saved as a py. The first name, first name is should be there created by the user. The second name should be created by the operating system, created by OS. Okay, the file should be saved as a .py. Okay, the file should be saved in a Python coding. It is the major things for should be save the file. Next we have to see about save as option. The file should be saved in a wrong method. Okay, the file should be placed in a separate document or separate file or saved in a local disk D or saved in local disk E, whatever it may be. But now you have to change the file in your location. So using the save as option. Okay, save option means first you have to save the file using the save option. First you have to save the file means using the save option. Second we have to use the file. After saving the file you have to change the location in local disk C or local disk D or local disk E or in the my document or in desktop, whatever it may be. You have to change that particular location means the file should be saved in a save as option. Okay, save as AES. The file should be separated in different places. Okay, it is a command prompt should be saving the file. So execute the Python in script. How should be the Python file should be retain or read back or collecting by the output. How should we see the output? It is given the source code. It is called a source code. Typing in a notepad. The file should be saved as a .py. The file should be saved in a Python console. Okay, Python language, script language. In .cpp means the Python should be saved as a C++ programming. The file should be saved as a .c means file should be saved as a .c programming, or the file should be saved as a .html. The file should be saved as a converted as a web designing. Suppose it should be saved as a .ppt. The file should be saved as a PowerPoint presentation. The next after dot command it can be used as a extension file exe converted. The file should be converted as a exe component. So extension component should be saved as a after dot operators. It is a major operator created by the dot commands. So the file should be saved. How can we see the result or how can we see the output? Okay, so in save option you have to use the next you got to go for file, edit, and other should be here should be as a run command RUN. Okay, file, edit, and run command. In this run command you have to choose the running mode or shortcut key is F5. Okay, Control S file should be saved and Control S should be file save and save as. Save as should be used as a .py and other command should be taken as a F5. F5 is called as a run command. F5 used as a run command. Okay, the run mode should be used for output segment. Okay, whenever the file should be saved, whenever the coding should be typed, whenever the source code should be typed here, the file should be immediately saved as a any other name regarding to the programming language. Now we have to save the file and we have to read back the output. We have to see wherever going to see the output. There will be a file, edit, view, and fourth option should be a run command. In run command there will be seen a running mode. Here should be run mode. In this running mode, or we have to simply type as a F5. Okay, based on this F5 command, the output will be executed. Immediately the output should be executed. What is the command should be here? A equal to A comma B, A equal to 5, B equal to 6, A plus B equal to C, 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Here we cannot see the answer, output should be 11. The output segment should be the answer will comes under 11. Okay, here you simply we can give the command only 5 comma 6 or A plus B equal to 6. Simply you can give the command. In output section you have to see the value of output. The 11 should be executed in output section. It is called as a compilation or executable section. It is divided into dot command. The main component and dot operator will be separated by the main operator and ex operator given by the extension dot py. Okay, next you got to going to see about input and output function. What is an input and output function? How can we give the input function? Input function should be given by the through keyboard. The input function should be given by the through keyboard. Okay, the output function should be created by any other separated programming. The input functions needs to be interact with the user and accomplishing by the dealing with a given task. Whatever task should be given. What task means the given programming. Whatever task means the creating by the program. What should be the small programming? The input and output sections. Okay, the input and output section will be there given by the input and output function. What is mean by the input? What is mean by the output? How can be created by the input? How should be output will be created? The input function should be created through the keyboard. What are the value should be given? The value should be given by the input value method. The functions will be helps to enter the data through the keyboard. The user creating by this some special output function to given there to execute by the printing option. The level of printer using the display in the result will be the programming in the script and executed. The script language should be created and output should be executed in a executable section. It should be created by the output section. It is called as a exe file given by the command for F5. Simply command should be given by the F5. Okay, the output should be created by the F5. So next option will be created as a print function and input function and output function. The print function should be given as a print the word what should be given, the sum of the element. It should be typed in a output section. What is mean the print option given by the print section? The sum equal to 11. What are sums should be added here? 5 plus 6 equal to 11. The print here we didn't type as a print, here we didn't type as a print. The print option typed in a print this sum. The print option will be type means what are the print option typing before the word, that word should be comes in a output section. That word should be executed in a output section. That word should be comes under in a output method. Okay, it is called as a print section. The print the value, the print the function. Print function used to display the result on the screen. It is a major use of the print option. The print option should be given. The print option should be command should be executed. Is result to be displayed in the result area. Function should be used to display in the screen area, resulted area. Here is the resulted area means given by the resulting values. In interactive mode, the function should be typed here. Output should be given in the bottom of the screen. It is called as the interactive mode. In script mode, the command should be will be given F5. After giving the command, output should be executed in a separate places. Okay, the print the evaluation execution before the printing in a one monitor. Output the source code will be typed in a one monitor. The output should be executed in a another one monitors. Okay, it is called as a print and a executable and in the script mode language. Okay, to the statement which is specifying with the print, the command should be given separated by the command using their separator to print the more than in a one items. What command should be given? Colon should be given. Semicolon should be given for a separating the two values. So in case here we see about A, B and C, the two variable will be separated by the comma operators. So the comma operator will be separated the two individual variable. Okay, it is called as a input method. So input method, the function should be given, the file should be given, the value should be given. It can be executed by automatically by the separating by the comma operator, and the executable file should be separated by dot operators. Main and executable component should be separated by as a top red disk. The input function accept the data input run command. The syntax form of the input function is variable. So listen, the input function will be given as a simple written as a variable function. The input value should be given by the variable. What it should be the variable given by the areas a comma b comma c is a variable created by the input value. Through the input value that should be given by the keyboard. Okay, the variable input prompting strings will be given. Prompt string variable equal to the prompt string என்ன value declare பண்றோம் நம்ம input. Input value should be given by the double quotation. Input value should be given in a double quotation. Prompting strings values, any of the strings values should be given. Okay, next class we got to see about this interaction, command in Pythons and in token and identification. Okay, thank you.